Hello, welcome to my first video. It's so awkward, I've never talked to a camera before. This video is gonna be like a makeup transformation. I'm gonna be following a makeup tutorial that is following a tutorial from a webtoon called True Beauty. The makeup tutorial I'm gonna be following is by a YouTuber called J. A mini disclaimer, I'm in no way trying to make myself look Korean or like trying to become the girl from True Beauty, like, because I know people are gonna comment things like this. Yeah, this is gonna end this awkward intro. Enjoy!
True Beauty is a romantic comedy about an average girl using the power of makeup and fashion to transform women.
Okay, so she kind of just goes straight into the makeup, so I'm just gonna do like my usual skincare routine. So I'm gonna put my contact lenses in and put my hair up and then do skincare. Hope you like this makeup look. I personally don't think it turned out much like the makeup from True Beauty, but I think it is like just nice and kind of something you could wear every day.